Dr. Ryan, I'm concerned about Mr. Peter's persistent headache. He's been experiencing pain for several weeks, and it's affecting his daily activities.
That's concerning. Have you ruled out any underlying medical conditions?
Yes, we've conducted thorough examinations and tests, including a CT scan and blood work. The results haven't revealed any specific abnormalities.
It's possible that the headache is related to stress, anxiety, or other psychological factors. Have you considered a referral to a neurologist for further evaluation?
That's a good idea. A neurologist can assess for any neurological conditions that might be contributing to the headache.
We could also explore alternative treatments, such as physical therapy or relaxation techniques. These approaches can help manage pain and reduce stress.
I'll schedule a referral to a neurologist and discuss alternative treatment options with Mr. Peter. We need to address his headache to improve his quality of life.
Mihira, I am sorry to say that immediate imaging is not necessary. I understand that when people experience this kind of pain, they worry that they might need an X-ray or an MRI scan right away. However, in most cases of acute sciatica, imaging isn't necessary in the initial stages unless there are signs of nerve damage or other serious conditions. I know dealing with sharp lower back and leg pain can be truly overwhelming, but I want to reassure you that acute sciatica is very common and rarely a sign of anything serious. In most cases, the body heals remarkably well on its own. With conservative management, such as gentle movement, targeted pain relief, and giving your body time, the pressure on the nerve typically eases and the symptoms resolve completely. You are in a safe position, and we will work through this step by step to keep you comfortable as your lower back naturally recovers.